Hey guys, I'm just here to do a quick review on adding and subtracting fractions with different denominators, and here is our first example. We are going to have 1/4 plus 1/2. Now we need the units to be the same. Right now our unit size is different. We have fourths and half. To make them equal, we are going to look for a common multiple. If you're going to skip count, I would start with the smaller multiple. So here we go, 2, 4, and we're done. We have them both as fourths. These pieces got split 2 times. Each piece got split into 2 pieces. We had 2 pieces, now we had 4. So this new fraction, this whole thing, is times 2. So that gives us a new fraction of 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. So this is an equivalent fraction. It's the same fraction written a different way. Now notice, this is fourths. This is already fourths. We don't need to change this. So we now have 1/4 plus 2/4. 1 plus 2 equals 3. The size of the piece stays the same. So 1/4 plus 2/4 is 3/4, right? We only had to make one equivalent fraction. Let's look at another example. This time we have 15/20, and we are going to subtract 3/5. Now I want you to notice that our denominators, once again, are different. Let's look at some multiples. 5, start with that smaller denominator, 5, 10, 15, 20. We had to split each piece 4 times. We had 5 pieces, it got split 4 times, that gives us 20 pieces. 3/5 times 4, 3 times 4 is 12, 5 times 4 is 20. Notice this denominator is already 20, it doesn't need to change. So now we have 15/20 minus 12/20. Well, we're going to keep that unit of 20. 15 minus 12 is 3. There's our answer, 3/20. Next example, 2/3 minus 1/4. We need to go ahead and make these the same. 4, 8, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12. Notice we had to change them both. This is times 3. This is times 1, 2, 3, 4. That's times 4, right? We had 4 multiples. 2 times 4 is 8. My unit is 12. 1 times 3 is 3. My unit is 12. Now we subtract. 8 minus 3 is 5. My answer is 5/12. Last example. We are going to have 1/2 minus 1/5. Start with that smaller denominator, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 5, 10. This one got changed 5 times, cut into 5 pieces. This one cut into 2 pieces. So this is going to be times 5. This is going to be times 2. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 5 is 5. My unit is tenths. 1 times 2 is 2. My unit is tenths. My operation is subtracting. 5 times 2 is 5 minus 2 is 3/10. That is how you add and subtract when your denominators are not the same.